Take a ride in the 2026 Seltos. The Kia Seltos is sure to stand out with its appealing front end. Additionally, the Seltos offers a robust number of interior features and a large amount of space for a small SUV. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, alloy wheels, remote keyless entry, four-wheel disc brakes, speed control, electronic stability control, traction control, brake assist, rear window defroster, rear window wiper. Escape the mundane and embrace the thrill of a lifetime behind the wheel.